Right now, the safest place you can be is at home. So why not make it as safe as possible? One way you can do this is by cleaning tables and countertops with disinfectant spray, like what I have on screen. Spray about 6 inches away from the surface, then use a towel to get the cleanser everywhere. Another, more important way is by washing your hands. Simply wetting your hands and lathering them with soap for 20 seconds is one of the most vital things you can do. Though, make sure that you get everywhere on your hands, from the inside to the outside and underneath your nails, to ensure you and those around you are safe at home.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Principal Diaz with my Lucy Bear hanging out here at the living room with your morning announcements. Okay, babe, go ahead and work on your NTI schoolwork for your school. Folks, the social distancing that has taken place due to the C-19 pandemic has created a non-traditional instructional day. We are providing distance learning to our students in the new version of our instructional core, where we're using Chromebooks and we're using our Canvas app to engage the students in learning. We are working extremely hard to provide rigorous content lessons in which will prepare you and grow you as students and learners. We will beat C-19. We will do it together as a community, as a group. We are providing for you the best caliber of instruction that we can during this time, and we would like for you to meet us halfway. I know for a fact that many of my Broncos are not sitting on the couch, not watching the television, and not eating gummy bears. They are exercising their brain, they are exercising their body, they are engaging with our teachers through their Canvas and their Chromebooks and really trying to become better learners and better people for America, Kentucky, and Lexington. We will come out the other side of this pandemic stronger and more prepared to meet unique challenges, whatever these unique challenges may be. For example, taking an AP test during social distancing when you have to do it on the Chromebook and you have to do it virtually. If you can take an AP test on the Chromebook, you can pretty much do most anything on your Chromebook, like apply for colleges, like research different college institutions and career pathways, apply for jobs, work remotely. A lot of jobs, like the jobs that we advertised for about a week and a half ago, um, with with the with the census.gov, you can do online. Now, I mentioned the AP test because this week and these next couple days from May 11th through May 22nd, you will be, many students will be taking AP exams. And I wish you the best, the best, the best of luck. Remember, folks, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. You take that first step and you make up your mind that you will not give up and you will not stop until your goals are met. Nothing can stop you. Sky is the limit for Bronco Nation. Yearbook needs your pictures. Because we're not on campus, because we're away from each other, our photographers and our yearbook class hasn't had the opportunity to take pictures to wrap up the end of the school year. So go to jostens.com/replay it, and you can upload pictures that can then be selected for the yearbook. The website looks like this. Sorry, wrong side. Website looks like this, and you can upload, find Frederick Douglass on there, and send your yearbooks. Now, at this time, with no further ado, I want to congratulate students that participate in the advanced studio class got a chance to compete at the STLP, that's the Student Technology Leadership Program statewide competition, and were named the state champions for the public service announcement category. We won the PSA category. I mean, it's no surprise. We have the best IT academy in the state. So them winning is still a pride thing. I'm very pleased to announce that to you. Also want to send a special shout out to Paige Hensley, who is the state runner-up in graphic design out of all the students in the entire state. She is our state runner-up for STLP graphic design. So big shout out to the IT program, doing great things. If you have announcements that you want me to share with the entire school, shoot me an email. Let me know, and I'll get it up here and share the good news with everybody else. I'm Lester Diaz, your principal, and it is an honor and a privilege to serve you in this capacity.
I'm telling you, you gotta try it.
Come on, dude.
It's just water vapor. It can't hurt you.
I don't know.
Just try it. Just try it. Just try it.
Come on, bro.
Come on, do it. Do it.
Yo, quit being weak.
I don't know.
Come on, man. Just do it.
Captain Cleveland.
Captain Cleveland, what are you doing here?
Joeing isn't cool, kid. Here are some cold, hard facts. On average, Joel will spend over $2,000 on pods a year. Joeling puts you at a higher risk of heart disease and cancer. Now that you know the facts, get back to class, kid. Another job well done.